Kasama ang ilang Pinoy sa 60 content creator sa Southeast Asia na sumalang sa Digital Content Creation Workshop na inorganisa ng US Embassy. At kabilang sa mga tinalakay ang mga isyu ng cyber security, artificial intelligence o AI at responsableng paggamit ng social media. May unang balita si Darlene Kai.
5 taon pa lang mula nang magsimula bilang content creator si Charlene, pero mahigit 1 milyon na rin ang subscribers niya at pumapalo na ng million views ang kanyang videos na nagtuturo ng English lessons. Bilang isang teacher by profession, passion niya raw talaga ang magbahagi ng kaalaman.
When they go to classrooms, their interaction with their English teachers is kind of limited, and then when the teacher already taught the lesson, it ends like that. But in YouTube, they could just pause and then go back whenever they miss something or want to go back and master something.
Isa si Charlene sa 60 content creators na sumali sa Creators Collab, isang workshop tungkol sa digital content creation na inorganisa ng US Embassy at Out of the Box Media Literacy Initiative. Mula sa 11 bansa sa buong Southeast Asia ang pumunta sa Pasay City para rito. Ilan sa mga tinalakay ang tungkol sa artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, brand development at intellectual property protection. Kung susumahin, may 15 milyong followers ang participants ng workshop na patunay sa lawak ng impluwensya nila.
You all are a very influential crew. What you share and how you share it matters. More and more people of all ages are turning to social media for information, which means you have an incredibly powerful platform.
Nagbigay ng halimbawa si US Ambassador to the Philippines, Mary Kay Carlson, kung paano ginagamit ng US Embassy ang kanilang online platform para pangalagaan ang kanilang relasyon sa Pilipinas sa gitna raw ng mga agresibong aksyon ng China.
And spoke also when I was in Palawan about China's aggressive actions in the South China Sea. Our posts highlighted the central narrative of our relations with the Philippines as friends, partners, and allies. Our online engagement reflects a conscious strategic choice.
Hinikayat din ng organizers ng workshop ang mga kabataang content creators na isipin hindi lang kung ano ang trending at viral, pero kung paano rin gagamitin ang social media para makatulong at gumawa ng pagbabago.
In a world that has shifted to all things digital, we aspire to connect and nurture the youth who will become driving forces of change for a better future. When given the chance, the youth can harness their power to create meaningful impact.
Yan ang unang balita. Darlene Kai para sa GMA Integrated News.